Hi, this is Bob working on the QRP guys. This is the Dsb Tranceiver from QRP guys, and I've been installing the parts. Now I actually tested each one of these parts, checked the resistors with a good ohm meter, checked the capacitors with a capacitor meter, checked the diode with an ohm meter, made sure all of them worked properly before even putting them on the board. Probably spent a lot of time there doing that, but I think it's a good thing to do. I do check the parts like that when I'm building something from scratch or something that I've designed, and so I decided to do that with the QRP guys kit here, and found that the parts are really good. All were within specifications. And so I went ahead and put them in the board. Notice that I have installed all the little small parts that are down close to the board first, and then when you put the bigger parts in, like the relay here, or the variable resistor here, or the regulator right there, that those parts stick up quite a bit, and so you've got to get down in there and you've got to get the little parts down in around them if you install the big parts first. So I put all the little parts in first. Then I soldered them with a small tip, pointed tip soldering iron. As you can see here, they've been soldered. And then I used very small solder. And the solder I've got here right now is 31 thousandths thick. I was using 15 thousandths, and I thought I'd use the 31 thousandths to see if that was acceptable. I had no trouble with the 31 thousandths solder either. So I got those in there too. Or I used that in there too. So that's it. We're coming along really fine. Now this is part 2 of this assembly of the QRP guys QRP guys, I keep getting those letters mixed up. DSB, I was thinking USB from a computer. Dsb Tranceiver, and looking forward to using this thing on digital modes. I really want to try FT8, so we're working on this, and it looks like it's coming along really good. So this is part 2, and we'll continue assembling, and then when I finish up, hopefully be able to try it out on the air. So that'll be nice. So that's it for now. 73s and good DX.